Hi guys, well by now you've worked out that it's a Suzuki GSX. It's a 600cc. Give a little bit of background on the bike. It's last time on the road was 2013, and it hasn't started for 2 years. And I was donated this bike by a nice guy off of a shed forum. So today what I'm going to do is take out the battery from my GPZ. Just going to check the electrical system, make sure all the lights and all that lot sort of work. I may try and start her over, but we'll just see how we get on. So enough rabbiting, just going to get on with it. So as you could tell, the starter didn't engage, so I think there's a problem with the switch. I did take it apart, cleaned all the contacts, checked the wiring. There is a split bit of wire on there. I think that's probably the main cause. I'm pretty sure I've checked the side stand switch, that's fine, all the contacts for the kill switch, and that's all engaging properly. So all I can imagine is that the switch is gone, so I'll be ordering a new one of those. So to make use of my time, I'm going to start making up some fasteners for all the fairing and the bits and pieces with what bolts I've got at the moment as a temporary fix, and also some anti-vibration mounts for the tank. So quite a large number of these fasteners all seem to be these M5 bolts. There's a couple of larger bolts on there for obviously the tank and stuff, but fairing mounts generally seems to be these ones. So I've got 2 washers, got that, so now I've just got to cut it down to size, and this is the way I do it anyway. Strapping that in the vise, it can't move, so I've just used the bolt to cut against, and then I move the bolt further down after I've cut it, clean off the end, and then you'll see at the end where I unscrew the bolt, it'll clean the threads as it goes. You see, it's all cut off now. Just got to file it down a little bit, just smooth off the edge there, smooth off around the edges. I don't know if you can see this, but by twisting it, you'll clean in the thread. And then voila. So these are some of the fixes that I've made. The rest are on the bike.